Morning traders. This is a quick video about how to maximize your profits day trading, whether you're scalping or trading momentum. So the question is 2R or not 2R? Well, what does 2R even mean if you're not familiar with that terminology? What it means is to try and take profit at twice the amount that you're risking, right? So let's say we're risking this amount, and we can pretend that that's 5 cents just for easy math, right? So this is your entry, right? This is like a typical 3-bar play setup. You can apply this to any type of setup that you think is a good entry, but this is just a 3-bar play, and it's just an easy example to use. So let's say you're watching it form, and you're on this candle right now. This candle's forming. You're not in yet. You're waiting for this candle to break the high of this candle, which is marked out by this line. And as soon as that top of that candle is broken, you get in, right? So you enter here, and let's say that this entry is 5 cents higher than the bottom of this candle. So you put your stop loss here. That's a typical thing to do in a 3-bar play. You want to keep a tight stop. You don't want it way down here. Now your stop loss is at 5 cents. So that means that your 1R is 5 cents. That's your risk. 1 times your risk is 5 cents. So 2R is 2 times that risk, which is 10 cents, right? Now I just used these little boxes here to represent an R, right? So this is 1R, but that's like negative 1R, right? That's if you lose the trade, you lost negative 1R, and then here you've won positive 2R. So that's why there's 2 up here, and that just to symbolize like where do you put your limit sell, your limit order to sell, because you don't know what the stock is going to do after that, and you don't know if it's going to pop up real quick and then come back down. So you have to put in a limit order at that 2R level. So again, if this is 5 cents, this would be 10 cents above where your entry is. Let's say your entry was at $1, your stop loss is at 95 cents, and your limit to sell is at $1.10. That's it. Simple as that. So is it even a question? Like, should we just do that, or should we manage our trades? That's the other option. You can sell out your trades manually. Well, this whole month I'm going to be keeping track of whether holding 2R works with the lower float stocks that I trade, because I know that it works with the medium floats and larger float stocks that are a little bit more predictable, because a lot of people use it and are successful with it, but I don't know anyone that uses it definitively trading low float stocks. So I'm collecting that data myself this month, and so far I've been managing my own trades and not holding to 2R. And this is the result of that so far, is that I'm down basically for the week so far. It's only two days into this week. I'm not counting Monday because that was November, but 2 days into the week and managing my trades myself, I'm down $2.08. And oddly enough, I'd be up exactly that amount, $2.08, if I would have, I didn't make that up. That just worked out that way. If I would have held the trades for 2R. And I calculated that by including the 1R, that's my risk, on every single trade that I take. And I do that kind of the exact same way that I showed you, the bottom of the previous candle that I enter on. So I'm keeping track of all that. And then if it goes 2R, I put in the positive amount. And if it doesn't, then it gets the negative amount, which is the same thing I would lose if I took the stop loss. So that's it. So if you have any questions about this 2R thing, let me know. I'm not quite sure if I'm just going to jump on board with the 2R. According to the data I've got so far, I should, but this is only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it looks like 9 trades, I think. Yeah, 9 trades. So that's not really a, big enough sample pool, but so far it's pretty crazy how, one of them I'm down, basically I'm down 1% on my account, and the other one I'm up 1% on my account for the week. So that's pretty wild. All right, guys, I hope this helped you. I'm going to just continue to keep track of this, and I'll let you know if I start doing the 2R right away or not. And I'll let you know how it goes. All right, let me know if you have questions. Take care.